AKSpare is our newly established brand. Due to the tariff war, our customers have delayed delivery. As a Chinese manufacturer, we do not want to lose the US market. So we want to continue to provide quick connector products to the US market by selling directly in the US market. This is our production workshop. You can see that we have more than 100 automatic CNC processing equipment. All the parts of quick connectors are produced from these precision processing equipment. Our self-designed CNC machinery enables us to automate the precise processing of parts and components, ensuring exceptional dimensional accuracy and consistent product quality. This advanced capability allows us to achieve lower batch processing costs while maintaining the highest standards of quality. As a result, we can offer our products to the US market at competitive prices without compromising on performance. In the video, you'll see the processing of brass parts. Brass is unique in that it doesn't require cooling water during machining, which makes it ideal for filming. While the processing equipment used for carbon steel and stainless steel is the same, these materials require cooling water during machining. The water can splash, making it difficult to capture clear footage of the process. That's why we chose to showcase the brass processing for this video. Throughout the processing, precision is automatically controlled to the highest standards, ensuring that every one of our quick connectors meets first-class quality. In addition to our automated CNC processing, we also offer conventional CNC and manual processing for larger-sized products or sample orders. Skilled technicians carefully craft each product, ensuring that every component meets high-precision standards, which guarantees that our quick connectors deliver first-class quality. Assembling quick connectors is a meticulous task that requires careful attention to detail. Each component must be precisely installed to ensure flawless performance. Our assemblers follow a strict assembly process, installing each component step by step. Whether it's a large or small quick connector, the number of parts remains the same, and the assembly steps are identical. Smaller components are carefully handled with tweezers for precision. For mass-produced quick connectors, we've developed a range of specialized tools to streamline the assembly process and improve efficiency. Due to the complexity of the assembly process for quick connectors, only a portion of the steps are shown in the video. If you're interested in learning more about our assembly process, feel free to contact us or arrange a visit to our factory. Leak testing is a critical step in ensuring the reliability of our quick connectors. Each product undergoes 3 separate tests, once when disconnected, once when tested individually, and once when connected. Additionally, some quick connectors are tested using both air and water to ensure they meet our stringent quality standards. Pressure testing is another crucial part of our quality control process. We sample and test for various pressures, including working pressure and bursting pressure, using specialized equipment. Different quick connectors have varying pressure requirements, so each is tested according to its specific needs. In the video, you'll see a quick connector being tested for a working pressure of 150 megapascals. In the use of quick connectors, threads are essential for securely connecting hoses or equipment, making thread accuracy crucial. To ensure the highest quality, we have designed specialized equipment for quick and precise thread testing. With the addition of semi-automatic equipment, we are able to achieve 100% thread detection, ensuring every product meets our strict standards. In addition to the tests already mentioned, we conduct various others, including connection and disconnection tests, salt spray tests, pulse tests, and more. We invite both new and returning customers to visit our factory for an on-site inspection and experience our rigorous quality control process firsthand. Our warehouse spans 1,200 square meters, stocking a wide range of common quick connectors for fast delivery. For many products, we also offer accessory processing, allowing assembly to be completed within 3 to 5 working days. Bulk orders can typically be shipped within 15 to 30 days. For customized products, simply provide samples or drawings, and we can complete production within 45 days.